Next is question number 10. Functions are given. Its part A is find, and first part is f of 2. So f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. The answer is 2. And its second part is g of 2. And g of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Third part is g of f of 2. Now g of x is equal to 5x minus 7, and then g of f of x is equal to 5 into f of x is 3x minus 2 and minus 7, and we have to calculate g of f of 2. So 5 into this will be 3 times 2 minus 2 minus 7. 5 into 3 times 2 minus 2 minus 7 is 13. Its part B is find f inverse of x. F of x is given, which is 3x minus 2. Let y is equal to f of x, and this implies that x is equal to f inverse of y. Now if y is equal to f of x, then y is equal to 3x minus 2, and y plus 2 over 3 is equal to x, and x is equal to f inverse of y. So this implies f inverse of y is equal to y plus 2 over 3. Replacing y with x implies f inverse of x is equal to x plus 2 over 3. X plus 2 over 3. Next is part C. Find h of f of x, giving your answer in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now h of x is x square plus x. And f of x is 3x minus 2. Then h of f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 its square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to opening the square, 9x square plus 2 square is 4, and minus 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. 12x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 9x square minus 9x plus 2. 9x square minus 9x plus 2. Its D part is find the derivative of h of x, and h of x is x square plus x. Then h prime of x is equal to 2x plus 1, which is the derivative of h of x. Next is part E, and its first part is find x when j inverse of x is equal to 4. And what is j of x? J of x is 3 raised to power x. J of x is 3 raised to power x, and j inverse of x is equal to 4. From this, x is equal to j of 4, which is equal to 3 raised to power 4, and this is 81. Its second part is simplify j inverse j of x, and j inverse j of x is equal to x. Since this is function and this is its inverse, and function and multiplying its inverse is equal to 1, so 1 times x is x.